know one thing that helped you out a lot?
Oh, to flatten it? That?
Yeah. You gotta take this, right? Put it to this corner, and then just. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Yep. It's only gonna bang the front down. That's it.
Pour a lot of that.
That much?
You can put more.
So go ahead, tell us why we should buy some of your beautiful soap that you handmade.
Guys, I made this by myself without well, Ricky helped me a little bit, but with the sides. And make sure to buy my butter.
Not your butter, your soap.
I mean my soap, so I can get some LOLs and buy a Roblox gift card. www.daddybutter.com. Order now. See you later.
What's the name of that soap?
This soap?
Lilah Creation.
Yeah.
We need rah-rah for these little boxes.
Huh?
We need rah-rah for them little boxes.
Yeah. Hey, I have
You
it.
take your 2 boxes. Oh, we got these little ones. Oh, man.
What's in the back? Right, we're done.
You ain't that strong. One at a time, that way you can move faster. Hold on, what's your name? What's your name?
Andrew.
You guys can find Andrew on Match.com. Dating. Hot Melman.
Hot milk.
Uh-huh. And he got the Hoochie Daddy shorts on.
Oh yeah,
Hold on, show the leg. Zoom it on the leg, the Hoochie Daddy shorts.
Gotta show my money makers.
Match.com. Get him.
He's a sugar
Oh,
daddy.
you a sugar daddy?
Yeah.
Wow. His wife might watch this video.
That's where she found him. That's where she found him.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Faster, faster. Come on. Let's go. Alright, that's it for the tiny little boxes. They get a little bigger now. You can catch these too? Yeah, watch it. Y'all gonna be like, dropping the packages, you breaking our stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
We ain't breaking that, don't worry about it. And if we do, we'll cover it. You can shine them legs up too, man.
They can get shinier than this. Got the natural olive oil.
Olive oil?
Yeah, Italian.
Alright,
Right, it's already put in the skin.
Yo.
You don't need nothing extra.
Yo, I got extra virgin olive butter too, man.
I got it in my veins.
But you want an olive oil? You got it, man. Alright.
Alright, take it easy.
Alright, I'm out. Later.
Alright, Daddy Butter out.
You go help. Seriously, the beast left? Are you freaking there to take that?
Head back. Alright, so we got a new product. This is the Flaxseed Wash and Go. And it's my first time using it. Now, normally I'll tell you just 3 caps and you'll be alright. Oops. Put this over here. I should have brought my little stand with me. Now this shit, how I designed it or developed it, shall I say? What I developed it to do is to 1, lather really well, 2, detangle, 3, produce those curls. So we're about to see for the first time using it. It's not even for sale yet. Probably not even by the time this video is up. Take some of this lather, put it in the back. Real good. Now this whole video, I'm not even gonna use a comb. I'm gonna finger detangle her hair. So for those of you that don't know what finger detangling is, it's when you pull out the kinks with your fingers. Make sure I get her scalp thoroughly. Wash with hot, rinse with cold, leave it in 20 minutes before you rinse. Just like any one of my other co-washes. The reason why I tell you leave it in 20 minutes before you rinse, because you want everything that the co-wash has to offer to do what it do.
Don't you dare. You wouldn't. Ah, good.
20 minutes is a good number. You can even sleep with the co-wash in your hair. Just when you wake up,
Seriously?
wash it out.
Ah.
Lift your head forward a little bit. Oh, so just sit up straight. Product isn't gonna leave any buildup. It's not gonna leave the hair all crunchy. That's how you know if you did a good finger detangling job. Once you could get to this point and just go through the hair like so. And you see, I still had some over here. Alright. When you could just go through it like this, you've arrived, you're done. Caught one. But for the most part, we're good. And you can see the curls that it's producing already with the suds still on it. It's crazy. Yeah, straight. Back, hold it back.
That tickle.
Wash and go. Curls popping. Still detangle from finger detangling. As you can see, because I'm sticking my fingers in as deep as I could go. And not catching no knots or nothing. But for the most part, we're gonna let it air dry. I could probably part it. I'm gonna at least put a part in it. Hopefully I don't create a crooked part. That ain't straight right now. How y'all do parts? Because I don't know what I'm doing. Let me see. I thought you just go like this and the hair divide up. Alright. I'm going to try to grab the hairs on the left and pull them to the left so the line stays straight. You can put a Jordan face, man, because I can't part. As you can see clearly, some guy right here. Alright, I have no idea how to get an exact straight line. I'm trying, I'm really trying right now. That's it. Oh, Lilah, show me your wash and go. You gonna smile or something? Go ahead, turn around like a model. Alright, come on. So wash and go. That's it. So the name of the product is gonna be Flaxseed Wash and Go. Somebody inboxed me on IG. I can't remember your name. Don't beat me up. But you inspired this. Matter of fact, let me look her up. Give her a shout out. Here, her name is Melanie. I'm about to follow her right now. Melanie something with 2 eyes. Nah, maybe she won't be in the video. Yeah. But Melanie, you asked, and you know, I washed the hair and then dry it. She has a bunch of curls and stuff. Lilah, look at the camera. You gonna smile? But yo, this is a product that's not for sale yet, but it's a wash and go. We wash and now we go in and we'll keep you updated on you know, the product. And eventually maybe tomorrow we'll start selling. DaddyButter.com.